Hi everyone, I am Fawad, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to add or subtract the mixed numbers. So guys, for this topic I choose two questions as easy questions. Just focus on the method, and this method you can apply on any cases while adding or subtracting the mixed numbers. So guys, I have 6 2 by 3 plus 3 4 by 5. I have to add these two mixed numbers without converting them into improper fractions. Okay, so guys, here first of all, as I told you, as you know maybe, that if you didn't watch my the video adding fractions, in that video I told that whenever you're going to add fractions, the denominators must be the same, because it makes our fractional addition easier. So guys, right now I have two mixed numbers, and in this question again I'm going to tell you make the denominators same. So 6 2 over 3 and 5 over 4 over 5, 3 4 over 5. So guys, this 3 and this 5, I want to make them same. How can I make them same? Simply guys, this number if you multiply here and here, and this number you multiply here and here, you get the same denominator. This is a simple way. If you are not getting that how can we make the number same, like for example, if I have a number denominator 2 and if I have a denominator 4, so how can I make 2 4? It's simple, that 2 times 2 4. But in such a case 3 or 5, where we know that 3 cannot become 5, so in such a case it's very simple, just multiply this number over here and this number over here to get the same numbers. Okay, so guys, now keeping this number as same in the mixed form, in the mixed number, so now 3 I'm going to multiply it by 5. But guys, remember, not only the multiplication denominator but also in the numerator, like this. And guys, here also 3 4 and 5 I will multiply here with 3 and here with 3. Okay, so this is the way how I can 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15. Now guys, you can see that the fractions are the same, the denominators are the same. Now you have to proceed your addition simply by adding the same place values. 6 plus 3, it comes 9, 10 plus 12, it will come 22, and 15 as it is. So guys, this is the answer for this question. This is a very simple method, but you have to do a little trick in the subtraction case, because there you will see something different. I hope you understand. If you have any question related to this, you can put in the comment box. Now come towards the question number 2. Over here we have to subtract the two mixed numbers. How to do that? Same method guys. First of all, make the denominator same. Now how can we make 4 as 6? Difficult. So guys, simply I told you this number multiply here up and down, so 3 times 6 and 4 times 6, keeping the 8 as it is. Here also 6 you have to multiply with 4, which is this number. Okay, now guys, 8 is come 18, 4 times 6. Your timetables must be good so that you can do your calculations quickly. So you have to learn at least the tables till more than 10 tables. You must know till 15 you can learn. Okay, so 6 times 3 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, minus 4, 5 times 4 is 20, and 6 times 4 is 24. Now guys, you can see in this situation that we have the same denominators, and what we are going to do here, we're going to subtract the two mixed numbers. But the thing which is very important here is that 18 minus 20, if you do the subtraction like this, maybe your negative answers will come. So keep your answer positive. So we have one technique. What is that guys? This number you add in 18. Okay, I'll tell you why I'm doing this. 8 plus 18, how much guys it will come? It will come 26 over 24, and this number make it one less, that is 7. Now 4, 20, 24, you can see the denominators are the same. I changed the face of this mixed number. What I did, actually I wrote, or I made an equivalent fraction, equivalent mixed fraction or mixed number over here. So guys, what way I use actually, I add this number in this numerator. 18 plus 8 comes 26. And what after that I did, I make one less in this number, that is 7. So guys, if you calculate this answer or if you calculate this answer, both answers will come the same. So I will say that both are the equivalent fractions, but they will give you the same answer. But what is our benefit here, that this number became bigger than this number. Okay, that's why I have to use the equivalent fractions to keep my answer positive. Now guys, after that, same method which we did here, that you have to add or subtract the same place values. So 7 minus 4 comes 3, which is the outer numbers. 26 minus 20, it comes 6. 24 as it is. You don't have to minus the denominators, just you have to copy the denominators as it is. So guys, 3 whole 6 over 24 is your answer for the subtraction of the two mixed numbers. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can mention in the comment box. I will answer your question. I hope you like the video and you will subscribe my channel. See you next time with a new topic.